Chevy Trax all fitting together good. Tail lights and liftgate are fitting good. It's gonna take a little glaze coat right here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Chevy Trax here. This one got smoked in the back. It gets a new rear body panel, a new taillight pocket. Alright, well I just about have this Chevy Trax all fitting together good. Tail lights and liftgate are fitting good. I want to make sure it's sealing correctly inside of here. So I am going to climb in here and pull this liftgate down. See if it's sealing good. As I look for daylight coming in where the seal is, you'll see it glow where light comes through. If it's not sealing all the way, but it looks like it's sealing very nicely. So this one's in good shape. It's about ready for me to start welding it together now. So this quarter panel, it had a slight buckle in it from everything moving. It mostly relaxed. It relaxed after I pulled it, but it's gonna take a little glaze coat right here. And then I also had the corner of this new lift gate was rolled a little bit. So I'm just gonna put a thin coat of glaze over that as well.